and no lockdown can prevent us from sharing knowledge.
Our school is providing us with online lessons and is supporting us with virtual learning.
These classes are very much fun-filled and lively. These classes include quizzes, PPTs, games and much more.
And with the teachers and their excellent teaching method, I'm able to study better, focus better and concentrate better.
It has made easier for me to interact virtually with my friends as well as teachers.
Our teachers have kept us on track with our studies and explained each chapter thoroughly.
Not only this, but our school is helping us in developing our interest in music and dance too. And the best part of the thing is that we always start our online session by taking the blessings of Lord Almighty, which I really admire.
Thanks to the efforts put in by our teachers and our school management, that online classes have been fruitful and we can complete our syllabus almost on time.
I would like to thank the Ryan Group of institutions for providing a new, unique way of learning experience.
I really feel proud